Welcome back, friends. Before proceeding to advanced topic, let's discuss the two important concepts. First one is what's the difference between website and web application. We find that these two terms are used simultaneously, but there is a quite big difference. First one is website. Website is something where you can only read the content, but in web application, not only you can read the content but also write the content. Website is dynamic, but website is static, but the web application is dynamic. Example of a website is like news website, Wikipedia, and blogging, where you can only read the content, nothing else you can do. But in dynamic web application like Facebook, not only you can read the post of other person, but also you can upload your post, comment on other posts. So this is the basic difference between website and web application. Website is basically only for read purpose, but web application for write purpose also. It is dynamic, but website is static. So let us discuss the second concept, which is life cycle of software. What is this? So let us suppose you get any problem, or your company give you any problem, and you wanted to make it reality, like you wanted to start any startup, you get any problem, or your company give you any problem, or say to you that you make any software for this. So after the problem, what you will do? You will gather the requirement, like what your software functions are, what are their non-functional requirement. After this, you will start designing the system, where you will first start with high level design, where you will do main component, overall structure, and after this you will do low level design, where you decide the what algorithm you use in any component, what the data structure you use, what are the classes you made, what are the methods you use. After this designing, you will start writing the code, and after the code writing, you will start doing the testing of your software. If testing is correct, then you do deployment of this software. But if testing is wrong, you again go for code, check the code, do again, and do the testing. After the testing, you again come, and after everything is right, you deploy your software. This is how the whole life cycle of a software happen. I have right here, it is problem, requirement gathering, functional, non-functional, system design, code deployment, testing, and deployment. These are all the life cycle of a software. And in the first concept, difference between website and web application. First, website, you can only read, it is static, like news website, Wikipedia, and blogging. But in web application, it is dynamic, you can not only read but also write, like Facebook, LinkedIn. So these are two main concepts I have to tell you guys. And after this, we will start the advanced topic like monolithic structure. In types of structure, monolithic is one of the simplest structure, and many big web application you see like Facebook, LinkedIn, they all started from monolithic structure. After the monolithic, they go for the advanced topic, but monolithic is one of the basic structure of architecture. So we will start next video from monolithic architecture. Till now, goodbye.